everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to test a lot of new makeup. I have a new eyeshadow palette I received in my Glossybox. I have a new spray from Dollar Store, new eyeliner and mascara, some lip products, and just a bunch of new stuff. So we're going to test this out, do our makeup, talk. Yeah, that's the idea of this video. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. I'm just going to apply my NYX color correcting primer. It has a green tint to it, so it cancels out the redness in the face. Then I take this brush from Bangerhead. It's an angled eyebrow brush, and my dip brow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Top, and just do my brows. And I just made a video where I tinted my brows, so they are looking better than they usually do. I can link it somewhere on the screen so you can watch that as well. Then we take some concealer and clean up the brows. So we use the Infallible More Than Concealer from L'Oreal Paris in the shade 322 Ivory. So I just put it on my hand and I just apply it with a concealer brush. I think I'm happy with them, so we continue. And we take my MAC paint pot in the soft ochre. This is actually I think it's an eyeshadow, is it? A cream eyeshadow? I don't know. I use it as my eyeshadow primer. So we just apply that on our lids. I have a new palette from Steve Laurent. It's the Wild Thing. I received it in a Glossybox, in the previous Glossybox. It's cruelty free. It feels like Glossybox give us palettes that all looks the same. I have palettes who looks like this from before, but I don't know, it's just a bit weird. So we also received a brush in the same box. This is I Am One of a Kind from Reeler. Never heard about the brand before. So it's just a smaller blending brush, but let's test it. So we take this light beige shade as our transition shade. So it's pigmented, it's blending fine. It's a good base, I'm fine with it. We take the brown in the corner with the new brush and try to darken up. Well, it shows up. That's great. And I can see that my lids are a bit dry. We change to the previous brush and blend. I apply the same brown under the eye, my lower lash line. Then we take the black and just darken the outer corner of the eye. I also take it down to the lower lash line and connect the top and the bottom. It looks good in the mirror, but when I'm looking at the monitor, it looks a bit patchy. And do you know something crazy? I mentioned in a previous video that my eyes was watering like crazy because I had allergies in the spring and summer. And then I went to the doctor and did a test for my allergies, and it actually said that I wasn't allergic to anything. So I don't know what it is. Really crazy. I thought I was allergic, and I've been thinking that for years because it comes every spring and every summer when people cut their lawn and when everything starts to grow, and yeah. So I take one of the shimmers on my fingers, the copper one, and just press it in the center of the lid, just to bring some warmth and color to the look. That's a really nice shimmer. Now we're going to apply some eyeliner. This is a swing liner from 183 days. It's a matte black liner. So this is the applicator. It feels like I've been out of my liner game lately, but we're just going to do it. For foundation, we're going to use the Huda Beauty Fox Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation in the shade Vanilla 120B. And I don't think this is going to match me. Maybe it will. And then we take my foundation brush from Milani. Just blend that. And because it's high coverage, we take a small amount to start with, and then we can apply some more if needed. That's a good way to not over apply. And I'm still red on some areas, so I apply some more just on the specific areas. I can still see some redness peeking through, but we are going to apply some concealer, so that will help with that. So we take the same concealer that we took before and apply that where needed. And I do not take this for highlight because this is almost darker than the foundation. I take it where I have all of my pimples and redness. And then I take my little Morphe buffing brush, the E8, and just blend that. So it doesn't look perfect because I can see that I'm really dry right now. Now I take this stick from Larizzi. I use it as a bronzer and contour. Now I just take this bronzer, apply that over the stick contour slash bronzer to set it. And to set the rest of the face, we take this little triangular sponge and my loose powder from Huda Beauty. And I also blend out any hard edges from the contour. Then we just take any brush and brush off excess powder. We take the blush from this little duo from NARS. It's the Orgasm blush, I think. Yeah. So let's try this little mascara from Clinique. It's the High Impact Mascara. That's actually good. It doesn't clump. We take my M10 Morphe highlighting brush and the Fenty Beauty highlighter, the shade Mean Honey and Hustla Baby, and I just mix both of them. We apply that on our cheeks, on the Cupid's bow, ridge of the nose, the tip of the nose, a bit on the forehead. Now we have 2 new lip products from 183 days. So the first one is a shimmering matte lip gloss. Looks like that. That actually looks really good. let's take a mirror. It's just a gloss. I like it. But it's matte at the same time. We take this Vivid Matte Liquid lipstick from Maybelline and then we apply the other one on top. My lips are a bit crusty right now, but if they wouldn't be, it would look great. The last product we're going to test is a Fix and Glow Finish Spray from the same brand, the 183 Days. So, in a previous video I tested this Pore Filter Mattifying Base Spray. So this looks almost the same, but it's white and it's a finish spray. I really like the black one, so let's see if we like this. It smells weird. Okay, I really like all of the products. I love this look. I love the eyeshadow. I love the liner. Even though my application skills have disappeared lately on the line game, it was very easy to apply. I really like it, and it's black and it's matte black. The lip product was definitely my style. The palette were fine. Yeah, we'll see how this holds up, but my god, I love it. And I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, I really like these products. I will definitely continue to use the liner, the mascara and the lip products. We'll see about the spray, and to be honest, I have a lot of eyeshadows. I mean, I have this drawer full of palettes, so yeah, I don't know if I'm going to use these so much, but it wasn't bad at all. But for that price, maybe it should be a bit more bam. But I don't know. Well, yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And of course, if you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click the bell and turn on notifications. Don't forget to check out my new channel. I will link it here. No, here, or maybe here, but I think it's here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!